As an information architect, instructional designer, and academic librarian, I am occasionally asked about course design and instructional video. It is in these moments that I am reminded of Ed Weird, Muybridge, and his groundbreaking work in motion photography, arguably a first step towards modern, digital videography. To briefly explain, in the 1870s, Muybridge was commissioned by the then Governor of California, Leland Stanford, to photograph the moving gait of a racehorse. With 24 cameras hooked to an electrical apparatus that tripped the shutters of each camera as a horse galloped past, Muybridge captured a series of time-sequenced photographs. When placed side by side, the photographs clearly demonstrated the gait of a horse in motion. In the 1880s, Muybridge started projecting moving versions of his photographs with his zoopraxiscope, and this is the earliest known motion picture exhibition in the United States. 120 years later, Muybridge's creative work was especially useful to Dr. Brian Beatty, of San Francisco State University. Motion pictures, captured along with recorded audio, allowed Beatty to offer his students more learning options through the development of a new course design model, Hyflex. The success of this model led Beatty to publish a 230-page ebook in 2019. The publication was entitled Hybrid Flexible Course Design, Implementing Student-Directed Hybrid Classes, and explained a Hyflex experience as one where students can choose to attend class, either in an assigned face-to-face environment, or in an online environment, synchronously or asynchronously. Online technology is primarily used to provide students with flexibility in their choice of educational experience, and to communicate with the faculty member, inside and outside of office hours. More recently, the EDUCAUSE Learning Initiative released a 2-page document in 2020 entitled The Hyflex Course Model. The document explains: the Hyflex approach requires faculty to reconceptualize the learning experience and rethink how students engage with the instructor, content, and peers. The instructor develops the course, tools, and channels, and organizes the curriculum to reflect that structure. All participants, irrespective of how they choose to join, must have equitable access to the learning resources, the instructor, and one another. Effective use of classroom strategies and technology is vital so that all participants can hear verbal interactions. All of the educational resources must be online, and students typically participate in a chat space, along with a live video of the session. Participants need persistent access to the chat, which might require a separate screen in the physical classroom, or a fixed URL for the chat stream. In August of 2021, Jennifer Ryder and Ayla Moore authored an article entitled Scaling Hyflex for the Post-Pandemic Campus. In their 18-page article, Ryder and Moore share their experiences at Fort Lewis College in Durango, Colorado, and their efforts in 1. Conducting a pilot program for several Hyflex courses. 2. Training select faculty to be successful delivering these courses. 3. Equipping 2 classrooms with specialized Hyflex technologies. 4. Creating an Instructure Canvas course to curate resources, articles, templates, and other relevant artifacts. 5. Drafting and approving a campus-wide definition of Hyflex. And 6. Authoring a Hyflex guidebook for faculty. Following the pilot program, Fort Lewis College went on to offer 24 courses for Hyflex delivery. In their concluding remarks, Ryder and Moore note that perfecting Hyflex would take time, and that setting up Hyflex, on any campus, requires thoughtful planning, careful analysis, continual assessment, and faculty support. As for the worth of their efforts, given the feedback received from students, there was strong support to offer, and further refine, Hyflex courses. To learn more about instructional video and the Hyflex course model, I encourage you to read the publications authored by Dr. Brian Beatty, Jennifer Ryder, Ayla Moore, and others.